Ready, Bob?
$8 just for that.
Get the hell out of the way. Holy shit. I gotta get my slippers on at least.
I
That
know.
was very impressive.
No way, your feet hanging out there.
Yeah.
I love how they do things. It's so cute.
That's like so cool. And they do it like this.
Yeah, that's how it is at cornucopia too. With the tissue paper.
Rip that.
Yeah.
What is it, Bob?
Santa Claus.
You found it.
You found it.
Why?
Remember?
Remember you said you lost. Remember we lost it in the
Lost it?
grocery store?
Yeah.
Found it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Santa Claus.
Where's my other one?
He knows. Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, did he?
Oh, Bud, you put those pants on.
That one's very
Hey,
heavy.
hey, hey. Oh, you want to open this?
No. I can wait for another one.
You show him Daddy?
Daddy, look, I got another
The
snowplow.
one he lost.
That's the one?
It is.
That they
I was
lost.
so excited. Well, when Santa Claus